Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my dear friends, a wonderful great morning to all of you. Myself Gunjan, the shining star of 8th Confidency in Sunrise Foundation School, and today I am here for mastering the concept, and my topic for mastering the concept is agriculture. My subject is social science. What is my subject? Social science. And my topic is agriculture. What is my topic? Agriculture. So first of all, what is agriculture? The science and art. The science and art of cultivation of soil, and growing crops. The science and art of cultivation of soil and growing crops is known as agriculture. But the product given by agriculture is raw material. To convert it into finished product, we have three activities. How many activities we have? We have three activities. We have three activities. First is primary activity. What is first activity? Primary activity. Second is secondary activity. And third is tertiary activity. First of all, what is primary activity? The extraction of raw material from the plants, crops and the livestock is known as primary activity. Secondary conversion of raw material into finished product is called secondary activity. And tertiary activity. The tertiary activity provides supports to both primary and secondary activity with the help of industries, transport and other things. But now, before discussing the types of agriculture, let us discuss the different type of cultures. Different types of culture. There are 5 types of culture, that is culture. First is agriculture. Second is pisciculture. Third is sericulture. Fourth is viticulture. And fifth is horticulture. First of all, what is agriculture? The science and art of growing crops and rearing livestock is known as agriculture. Second is pisciculture. The science and art of rearing of fishes in the specially designed ponds is known as pisciculture. Third is sericulture. The science of rearing silkworm for the commercial use is known as sericulture. The growing of grapes is known as viticulture. And horticulture, the growing of decorative plants, vegetables and flowers is known as horticulture. So, there are two types of agriculture. There are two types of agriculture. How many types? Two types. First is subsistence agriculture. First is subsistence agriculture. And second is commercial commercial farming. Second is commercial farming. First of all, subsistence agriculture. The agriculture which is practiced to meet the needs of farmers' family is not subsistence agriculture. Next is commercial farming. The farming which is practiced for the commercial use is known as commercial farming. Now, but we will discuss different types of crops grown in India. In India, two types of crops are grown, that is Kharif crop and Rabi crop. First is Kharif crop. And second is Rabi crop. First of all, Kharif crop. The crop which is sown in the rainy season is known as Kharif crop. For example, rice. For example, rice. The crop which is sown in the season of winter is known as Rabi crops. For example, wheat. Example, wheat. Now, the government has also supported the farmers for the agriculture. There are many schemes which are launched by government for helping the farmers to a large extent. So now let us discuss those schemes. Schemes are PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. What is the scheme? PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Second is Kisan Credit Card. Third scheme is ENAM. Now let us discuss the problems faced by a farmer in the farming problems. There are many problems which are faced by a farmers, that is lack of rainfall, drought, small land holdings and the poverty which does not allow farmers to accept the modern farming. This was all about my mastering the